everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another college week in my life. This is our 4th week of classes already. It's going by so fast. But yeah, today's Tuesday. I have 4 classes today, and then I have an exam in my last class. And he said that people don't really do very well on his exam, so like kind of nervous for it because I like to do well on exams and all of my classwork, but we'll hope for the best. I feel like I've studied pretty well, so just gonna go for it. But yeah, I am running a little bit late, so I'm going to head out. I'm meeting my mom after classes to go to the grocery store because I have literally no food. So yeah, that's all that's on the schedule for today. Alright, so here's my outfit. Nothing too wild. I just have this top. It's ILP. It's who I volunteered with in Ukraine over the summer. Some Nike shorts and then some Nike shoes. And then got my backpack. Got my snacks, my phone, we're ready to go. So it's a little bit later, it's like 5:15. I just got home. My classes were pretty good, I guess. My first class is awesome. It's my favorite professor. And then my research and advertising class were both pretty boring. And then my exam, I think it went well. There were definitely some questions that I was like, what the heck? Don't know where this came from. So I definitely guessed on like a few, but I feel pretty good about it overall. I feel like I should get a good grade, especially considering he said that it was so hard and people do like so terribly on it. I feel like I did like pretty good, so happy about that. Then I met my mom afterwards. We went to get just like a little bite to eat. So I got Caesar salad and iced coffee, and then we went to the grocery store. So I got a lot of food and I put it away already. I would do like grocery hauls, but my roommates are always home like when I get home, although she might be about to leave, so I might go down and like just show you guys what I got because I think that's super fun just to like see what people eat. I have the rest of the night free. I do have to get up earlier tomorrow. I am going to be a tutor for Cincinnati Public Schools, so we have like our training day tomorrow. I need to get the podcast that I did with my mom uploaded. I talked about it in my last video, but basically my mom has a podcast. It's called Women Beyond Faith, and it's just for like women who no longer believe and have kind of like worked their way out of religion or were never religious, and just like kind of their stories. It's really cool. So she asked me to do an episode, so we recorded that on Sunday. So I'm just gonna edit it. I just have to like throw the intro and outro on and just like trim it a bit, but I think she's gonna post that today, which is Tuesday. So I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. We just kind of talked about like my life and how it's changed over the past couple years of like no longer identifying as a Christian, and just like, yeah, it was a pretty fun conversation. We've been talking about having it for a while, so it's fun to finally do it. All right, I'm in my kitchen now. I'll show you guys what I got quickly. Just got some bananas, some tomato soup. I've been craving grilled cheese, some apple caramel dip. I got some Chex Mix, granola bars, cereal, some more coffee. And then down here, I got some more mac and cheese, more granola, and then Pringles. And then in the fridge, I accidentally left my eggs at the grocery store. And then I got more OJ and almond milk. What else did I get? Oh, fruit. I got more yogurt. I always have fruit parfaits. This little salad thing, cheese, apples, some juices, and then strawberries. So it is 8:20, I've showered, and then I actually wrote a paper for my comm theory class that was due last week, but like everything's due like by the time our midterm, it's like mid-October, but I'm trying to like, you know, keep on it like week by week. So I wrote that, and then I've just been editing a video that I filmed Sunday that will be up by now, my Sunday like day in my life routine kind of thing, and watching The Office. But I'm hungry, so for some reason I'm craving a bowl of cereal, so I'm gonna go get cereal. I just came downstairs and my roommate made pumpkin cookies, so cookie and cereal for dinner. Good morning, it's Wednesday, it's about 10 o'clock. I have been up for a while. I had the little like tutoring session for, well, to teach me how to tutor, I guess. Just kind of like going over the program, their expectations of us and whatnot, and I'm so excited to start tutoring next week. Just since teaching English in Ukraine, I've just wanted to be around kids so much. So I have a 3rd grader. I haven't met them yet, but we'll meet them next week, and I'm just super excited to like just be with kids and teach them. I think it's super fun. So yeah, I had that. I'm back home now. I do have my research thing at 11, so I have to leave in about 45 minutes. But it's so nice out this morning, so I just made a 2nd cup of coffee and I'm just gonna work on editing. I'm about halfway done with like the rough edit, and then I have to go back and like add music and text and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, but I'm just gonna spend the morning on my porch. It's so beautiful out. So it's like 5:30. I've just been laying in bed doing homework though. I read all of the articles for my Women, Gender, and Sexuality Studies paper. That's due Saturday, so then tomorrow I'll just like clean it up and summarize it well and, you know, final touches. There's actually a soccer game tonight that my dad and I are going to, FC Cincinnati. They suck this year, but we have season tickets, so we kind of like have to go. So he's picking me up in about an hour, but I just thought my dinner, I have this Chipotle salad. It's from like a pre-packaged mix, but it's super good. And then I just have a piece of bread with peanut butter, and then I'm just gonna watch The Office till it's time to get ready. My dad's about to be here to pick me up. Here's my outfit. Got my FC shirt on, my sweatshirt because it's supposed to cool down later, some shorts, my good old sneakers. Yeah, ready to go. It's Thursday, it's 1:36 p.m. I have been home for about an hour. My 2 marketing classes were canceled. They built a new business building, and so they're like celebrating the reopening of that today. So I think a lot of the business classes were canceled. So yeah, I only had my comm classes, which were both pretty good. And I've just been eating. I had a bowl of cereal. I didn't really eat this morning before I left because I slept in. Made myself another cup of coffee, and I've just been watching The Office, but I do need to get some stuff done. I don't have anything else like specific to do today, but I would like to finish this paper and get that like completely finished and uploaded. Last week we actually had a response paper and I totally forgot to upload it, so I think I'm just gonna get like a 0 on that assignment, which sucks because there's only like 145 points in that class. So like just because I missed that paper, I'm already down to like an A-. I like never ever do this. I was so upset. I went out Saturday night, and so I woke up early Sunday at like 7 when I normally do, and I was like, shoot, I totally forgot to upload that. I hadn't finished since like Thursday. So I emailed her right then. Hasn't responded to me. She sucks at responding to emails, but yeah, hopefully she'll give me like partial credit, but if she doesn't, I don't really care, honestly. I just want to make sure that I get it finished and uploaded so that I don't forget about it, because tomorrow and Saturday I work, and then I'm going home this weekend. My sister has a tennis tournament close to home, so I haven't been home in like 3 weeks either, so I'm just gonna go home for the weekend. But I just want to get like a lot of my stuff done before I go home so that I can just enjoy being home. Finishing the paper is #1 priority. Need to go over my research methods, like notes and whatnot, just kind of like skim them. It's an open book exam, and we have like 90 seconds to complete each question, so I'm not really worried about it, but I like can't take the exam without like studying a little bit. So I'm gonna do that, and then probably get my econ module 4 done as well, because that exam is due next week, but we still have 1 more module to do. So just trying to like get up to speed and make sure I got everything done. Good morning. I am about to head off to work, but I just wanted to show you guys my outfit because I think it's cute. I have these earrings. My studs are from Claire's. These hoops are from H&M. I have a white shirt from Target. These jeans are also from H&M. Then I have some Tevas on, and then last night, yeah, I braided my hair so it's a little bit wavy, and yeah,